Okay, hello. Here we are looking at Carla again, and this time we are at the beach. You can see we're standing here at the surf here. We got the water washing on our feet. This cool wave graphic going on here. If we take a look over to the right and, kind of take a walk forward, we can kind of go check out Town 10 HD. So this is a pretty impressive piece of work that I did not put together. Of course, this is quite a bit more advanced than the custom maps I've been showing. This was put together by the Carla team, and you can see a link in the description if you want more information or how to see the source of this stuff. But we will kind of take a tour of the city. You can see from over here we've got, quite a few major intersections that travel here or major roads that travel here between these large buildings. So we had to have some complex, intersections with traffic lights. Also, we got this pretty slick looking museum front over here with, some crosswalks, a pedestrian area, and, a museum here. So let's take a ground view, Carla, for a second and see how the traffic is behaving. So we got the polar opposite vehicles here. We got these little smart cars, and we've got a Tesla Cybertruck coming on around here. Oh, oh, don't hit her. That was scary. Well, goes to show you, you should watch out for the Cybertruck. So we're gonna drive. We can fly up here, go check out these really cool artistic buildings. Pretty cool reflection thing going on here. And then we'll turn around, take a look at Carla Town10HD one more time, and I'll say I'm impressed. It's a pretty cool piece of work, and say thanks for watching.